Hi guys, welcome to another market news and updates. I'm your host Omi. Welcome to OMI-MIZ YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like today's video, smash the like button. In today's video, we're going to be discussing what are the latest updates and news around Bitcoin and Ethereum, whether the markets are going to be flipping very soon or not. Let's get into our video and find out. आप लोग ने कभी 8.6 मिलियन का बिटकॉइन देखा है? नहीं. Probably you had a chance to see it yesterday on coinmarketcap because coinmarketcap yesterday had a massive glitch. और उस glitch के अंदर हुआ ये था, a lot of coins prices went haywire and we experienced seeing Bitcoin's price at 8.6 million, which was way far away from 69,000's all-time high, which was interesting to see, but that was just a glitch for a short while. And this was a very funny scenario yesterday in the markets. For a while everybody was wondering what is going on, but thankfully the glitch is solved by coinmarketcap now. So hopefully we're going to be seeing correct prices now on coinmarketcap. In these times where Metaverse and Decentraland and Sandbox like games are getting a lot of attention and are also getting very prominent into societies, we have a lot of news coming around Metaverses and their games. So just like that, we have Nike entered the Metaverse game following RTFKT acquisition. The new acquisition confirms Nike's interest as being a prominent contributor to the virtual world of the Metaverse. And what they had to say was, our plan is to invest into the brand, serve, grow their innovative, creative community, and buy and extend Nike's digital footprint and capabilities. While at the same time, we're having Adidas investing in Sandbox, and Adidas has to say the Metaverse is where anyone can express their most original ideas and their most authentic selves in whatever form they might take. And thanks to the blockchain and NFTs, those pioneers can own a piece of what they create. So as we can see, brands are forming into metaverses, and this is one of the greatest times to be part of a metaverse. And for myself, playing and being part of a brand as well in the metaverse with Metawear and playing DCL every day. I hope you guys are watching our live streams from every day and you are liking them as well. The last news for us today is related to Dogecoin and its founder Elon Musk. Elon Musk has said that Dogecoin is a better transaction solutions than Bitcoin, and he might be right when it comes to the number of seconds transactions that takes place in Dogecoin, but then Dogecoin is not a reliable coin and it doesn't support any kind of payment solutions as of yet, though he has announced yesterday that Doge is going to be releasing NFTs and merch as well. But that's not enough for a coin to be saying that it's better than Bitcoin, sadly. So let's see what he exactly said and quote him. Bitcoin is not a good substitute or transaction currency. Even though it was created as a silly joke, Dogecoin is better suited for transactions. The total transaction flow you do with Dogecoin, like transactions per day, is much higher potential than Bitcoin. But then again, this is not the only way to count the capabilities of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is also a deflationary tool. So whenever the markets are going to be crashing, where we have dollar, commodities, we're going to be experiencing Bitcoin's upside, which we've been seeing in September, October, November. And we have clearly seen when the United States dollar was increasing in value and becoming extremely volatile, we saw Bitcoin at the same time increasing price and having a very nice bull leg. So we can expect something similar, as today we have Fed's December 15th decision on interest rates and other things. This is a key day today for us to see. Probably today is going to be deciding the next bull cycle and the next bull leg for us, definitely. And that was the reason as well we started seeing pumps and some buying coming into the market from last night. So that's all for news for today. Let's see what's happening in our technicals and charts. So let's check out our greed and fear index for today. And today we're standing at 28. We have increased from levels of 21, which we were experiencing yesterday. Things are a lot better in the market from yesterday, but yet again, we haven't had a massive upside. We are still creating lower highs. Hopefully we can expect some flip coming into the markets very soon. I wanted to check out what's happening and what are the next events gonna be happening as we are closing the year already. We are hardly 16 days away from that New Year's Eve. So we have on 31st December 1.5 million coin burn. Then we have trustless Ethereum bridge. We have Trustless Ethereum Bridge, Dog. I just wanted to see whether we have any big events coming for any big coins, and we usually do check that on coinmarketcal. So as we can see, nothing yet here on the first page. Very likely there aren't many events, though we can experience and see in the charts in the long run there are events coming in the first quarter, which is going to be January, is going to be filled with events for different coins. For now, we don't see any prominent event for any prominent coins, mainly small layered coins that have events going on and this time of the year. We have Radium's event coming on OKX, farming event OKX. Jumpstart mining commences at 8 AM UTC. So something going on there in for Solana's blockchain and system, which is gonna be tomorrow, I think December 16th. Interesting to know. Then we have 17th December, another Radium listing on OKX exchange, Polka Foundry, Unilayer. Not many events in the next 2-3 days, so we can expect the market to just remain like this. We have a good event coming on 19th December for Stacks, a collection of 3000 wasted land NFT avatars featured in an interactive story built on Stacks. And we also have an event coming for a layer 2 trustless Ethereum bridge for Harmony 1. That's about it. So we have an event for Stacks, Harmony 1 and Radium. Not much happening in the event section either. If we look at our Ethereum's dominance as predicted yesterday, we were expecting the Ethereum's dominance to come back down to our yellow line. As we can see, Ethereum has begun to lose momentum in the markets. It's gonna have some blue lines, some green candles as well on the way. You just can't have a whole red coming down. That's not how the markets work. If we look at USDT's dominance, if we look at USDT has begun to sink in, and we can see a downside coming into USDT's dominance. It was very hard to see in the market that USDT's dominance kept rising and rising and rising because people were trusting more on the dollar than on the coins. Now we are beginning to see a down in the dominance, which signifies that people are putting money back into Bitcoin or other altcoins because they are not trusting dollar anymore. And that could also be the reason, because today is 15th of December. Today is the day Feds are going to be deciding the interest rates and other technical things for the next year. If we look at Ethereum's dominance, is still we should look at BTC's dominance. So if we look at BTC's dominance here, we can see BTC's dominance has come back from all bottom of 40 to now trading about 42, and now we are trying to consolidate on my yellow line, which is our support area. Hopefully we can take off from here very soon and head towards 42, 43, 44, 45, which are ideal places for Bitcoin to take control of the market and show us some parabolic movements. If we look at others dominance is still sideways between our two yellow lines. We have been witnessing this for the past few days now. It's neither going up nor going down. It's just sideways in these supports. If anytime we break these support levels, it's gonna hurt all coins very badly. If we look at BTC's famous chart of mine, we are still sideways, and yesterday we had to break down this resistance in 1 hour, because I was watching carefully and I wanted to see whether we're gonna break this. We did break this, and now we are above this phase. We are now making base of 47,895, which is better than trading below at 46,500, which was a very risky point for us, because below that there was no support. If we dumped, we were dumping all the way to 41,000 easily. If we look at Ethereum's famous chart, is just there. We have broken all the supports slowly and gradually, and I'm expecting Ethereum to also take a bounce from here. If it doesn't, our next support level is 3327. We can expect ETH to go sometime close to 3,500 to 400. It's been a long time that ETH's been trading in these zones and hasn't adjusted itself or nor had a pullback in some days now. अगर हम लोग बाकी coins को देखें तो बाकी coins in some coins are in a pullback, other coins have begun to pump and have started to make some good momentum as well. 166 के ऊपर Solana आ गया, good to see it kept momentum above 150. AVAX is back up to in its 90s levels. If you look at EGLD is also doing well. It's sad to see Phantom and Rune being so down and out from the markets. Matic is back up at $2 as well. For me, Matic is gonna supposedly hoping that it's gonna break its all-time high very soon. If we look at Mina is alright as well. Mainly coins are okay, but the worrying sign is we're almost in all of them. We are right now building lower highs, so that is a very bearish sign. If we look at Mana as well, we are building high. lower high, lower high, and then now another lower high. So this is a very worrying sign. We still look very bearish in small time frames. Otherwise, if we look at ourselves in monthly time frame, let's see in monthly still shows us that there's still a lot of upside, and we aren't in such a bad time because we're still consolidating ourselves in these zones. But if we look at in day, we look very bearish. If we look at in day, we have broken trend and we are just in nice falling channel. Though falling channels are always bullish signs because they have a sudden upside to come into them, and कभी भी मार्केट इधर से गिरने वाले चैनल में से कभी से भी फ्लिप होके बुलिश हो जाती है, and these are also very bullish signs. So that's all for our today's video. I'm hoping that the market is going to be flipping in the next few days. All depends on the news for our interest rates from the Feds for today. So hopefully tomorrow we're going to be having some exciting news. Either we're going to be having a news for the market to flip, or we're going to be expecting a news for the market to have a downside. Hopefully not. Hopefully we have the latter and we see an upside. And that's all for today's video, guys. If you like today's video, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any things you want to share or want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me on Twitter and Instagram. Links are given in the description below. And if you have any thoughts, please share that on comment section. And take care, guys. That's all for today.